Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Wohler for Autism Recovery System. If you have been struggling, or I should say if your child has been struggling with ongoing oxalate problems, where the oxalates are affecting their behavior and the oxalates keep coming up high on, let's say, on the organic acids test, or they're constantly having problems with groin discomfort or discomfort on urination. You've been doing the low oxalate diet, these types of things. One of the things you might want to consider is doing a GPL mycotox profile. GPL is Great Plains Laboratory. Mycotox are mold toxins. The GPL mycotox profile is a test from Great Plains Lab. It's a urine test, and it assesses for mold toxins. And these are things that we can't test for through blood. It's not through stool. The organic acid test gives some indicators on that profile of mold exposure, but the only way to know about these mycotoxins, you have to test for them specifically. And one of the things I'm seeing is that some individuals with oxalate issues, it appears to be coming from mold. One of the molds that's known to produce oxalate is Aspergillus. And there are mycotoxins on the mycotest test profile that come from Aspergillus. So it's a potential cause. So more information about the GPL mycotox profile, you can go to greatplainslaboratory.com. You can also post questions to me through the Autism Recovery System website, through the member forum. And then to access lab testing, again, it can be obtained through Great Plains Laboratory, or there's another website called Lab Test Plus that provides access to Great Plains lab testing and other lab testing as well. And each lab ordered through Lab Test Plus comes with a written review and then action step suggestions based on that information. Okay, so again, this is Dr. Kurt Wohler for Autism Recovery System. Thank you.